Find the value of tan pi by 8. Now pi by 8 is an acute angle, and let us see if we can express it in the form of sum or difference of one of the standard angles that we know. Now pi by 8 radians is equal to pi by 8 into 180 by pi degrees, which is 45 by 2 degrees, which comes to 22.5 degrees. Now this is a very odd acute angle, which we can't express as sum or difference of two standard angles that we know. But what we notice here is that 45 degrees itself is a standard angle. So therefore we can express pi by 8 as half of pi by 4. And pi by 4 or 45 degrees is a standard angle. So let us try to make use of that. If pi by 8 is x, then pi by 4 can be expressed as 2x. And we know that tan of 2x equals 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan squared x. Okay, so we write tan of pi by 4, which we know is 1, in terms of tan of pi by 8 by using the formula. So we have this is equal to twice tan pi by 8 divided by 1 minus tan squared pi by 8. So we get 10 squared pi by 8 minus 2 times tan of pi by 8, plus 2 times tan of pi by 8 minus 1 equals 0. And that's a quadratic equation in tan pi by 8. If we express tan pi by 8 as x, then this is basically x squared plus 2x minus 1 equals 0. And we can find out the root of this equation, which is x, or tan pi by 8, by using the standard formula, which is minus b, and b here is 2, so minus 2 plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. So b squared is 2 squared minus 4 multiplied by a, which is 1, multiplied by c, which is minus 1, whole divided by 2 times a, that is 2 times 1. And this is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 2 squared, which is 4, plus 4, which is square root of 8, divided by 2. And this comes to minus 1 plus minus square root of 2. But we know that pi by 8 is in the first quadrant, therefore tan pi by 8 has to be positive, and therefore the solution is under root 2 minus 1. That's our answer. And now let us move on to the next question. Question 8.